Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this PDF file, and they're going to print it, and you can see it's a little bit fuzzy already. The glitter looks good, but they want to take off this Niner wifey. So my suggestion, I don't know of any way to do it. I mean, unless you just want to get rid of some of that glitter, and then with it selected, you could just go with the crop tool and go right there and just crop that and print it. I don't know. But other than that, I went to the internet and I went to Brands of the World and typed in San Francisco 49ers, and it actually came up with a format Corel Draw file. So I imported it in, or I brought it in, and this is what it looks like. And it's super sharp, so that might even print better. And it's pretty close. We could actually even change this to look like that. I know nothing about printing, and I might make a second video if you like that. Then there's a couple ways you could get that glitter. And all I did is two ways to do it, or at least two ways. I'm going to make a duplicate of that, and I'm going to just move it over. And with it selected so nothing else disappears, I'm going to get the crop tool, and I'm going to crop out that much glitter. And I'm going to make it 0.4. Then I'm going to change my nudge factor to 0.395. And I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And what I did by doing that, I didn't duplicate the lines. There is a little bit of a line there, and I don't know about printing. I don't know how that'll come about. I don't know if there's any way you could test it, but you could always, rotate every other one. And it would be your glitter work. So that's your call. Or you can go to the internet and pick you out a new glitter. And I picked that one right there, and I just right clicked and copy image, go back to Corel, right click, paste that image. And there you have a nice, pretty nice glitter. This is the one I used right here, and you won't have any lines in it. And then that's your call. And then all you'd have to do is, once you get your size of what you're going to put in the cup, if you'll take that and just put it in there and then go to intersect, and that's going to give you that size of the 49er. So it's like right up in there. Then you go to object, order, back a page, and your 49ers is right where it needs to be. Now it's a different glitter, and then you could do the exact same thing for the red. Just go to the internet and find you a red. I typed in gold glitter background vector, and that's the way it came up. So do the same thing on the red or not. If you're happy, if there's a way you can test, I don't know, personal preference, what glitter looks better. They're both fake, but mine does have a line and it might show up where this does not have a line. But you could do the same thing with the red. The only other thing I noticed that in her graphic, no, that must be mine. In her graphic, the San Francisco is a little bit darker. This is mine and this is hers. So this is my new one. So this appears, that red appears a little bit darker. You could change that because of the fact that this is a vector. You could, let's move it like to 2 inches. Let's nudge that up 2 inches. And you could actually left click, right click, and get your Smart Fill tool, and I've already done it. Go to your eyedropper tool and grab that color and then put it in that spot. And of course you want to do, look at it. But that's how I would do it. And for the one I'm doing this for, she bought this file off Esty. Quit buying stuff. Look for the, do it yourself. Unless it's something really intricate, you could find the logo and, doing one cup, 49ers aren't going to come get you. And the people that are selling this, I don't know how they're doing it. But give it a shot. And I'll send you my rendition of it, and you're more than welcome to use it. But I would be curious about, well, no, I use the other glitter. So this is the one I'm going to send you right here. And then I'm going to make a second video on how to make this like this. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.